Now, good morning, class. We have to study our previous classes, the chapter of fraction, like types of fractions, lowest term of the fraction, and we have to go today, that is addition and subtraction of fraction. So now chapter fraction, date of 28th April 2020. So now go addition and subtraction of fraction. These are the topic we are explaining to you today. So now we have to go first simplify some example, like their denominator are equal. If the fraction or denominators are equal, so we have to go 5/6 plus 7/6. Here both the fraction or denominator are equal, so we will go of denominator of common, then we will write in 6, and then their numerator is 5 plus 7. 5 7 5 12, 7 plus 5 12, 12/6. So you should go the simplest form, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Their answer will come 2/1, that is 2 whole number. Another addition, we have to go 6/10 plus 3/10. So now here also same as it is, there the denominator are equal, then we have to go the common denominator, then you will write in 10, then their numerator should be added, 6 plus 3, now 9/10. There is another addition of the same denominator. Now we are going to take some other subtraction of the examples, like 7/8 minus 4/8. So here is also the denominator are equal, then we will write in denominator of 8, that is the common value, and then you have to subtract it. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3/8. 3/8, that is the subtraction. Now second rules are there. If the denominator are different, so we will go, that is 1, that is 2, and that is 3. Now go 4 things that the denominator are different, like 5/6 plus 7/18. So here the different of denominator, there is 6 and that one is 18. So now is equal to, we will go first 5/6, the 6 3 is 18, then multiply by both the side, numerator as well as denominator. So in bracket should be right, then write plus 7/18. So now there is equal to 5 3 is 15 and 6 3 is 18 plus 7/18. So now their denominator are equal, then we will write in 18 and the numerator should be added, means 15 plus 7, then is equal to 22 by 18. Now should be simplest form of there, then 2 11 ja and 2 9 ja. In 9 by 11, and their mixed fraction will come 9 1 ja, 9 whole 2 by 9. That is your thus topic of different denominator of addition. Now go second things, subtraction. Subtract here, if the different denominator like 5 by 11 minus 3 by 33. So there is both the denominator are different, but 11 3 ja 33, 5 3 ja 15. Now go is equal to 5 into 3 by 11 into 3. Both the side of the same value as numerator as well as denominator. Then minus 3 by 33. So here 5 3s are 15 by 33 minus 3 by 33. There go is equal to, there the LCM of denominator is 33, then you will write 33 is the common denominator. Now 15 minus 3 is equal to 12 by 33. That is the subtraction of the another cases. Now we have to go in alternative method, that is addition of the alternative method. Should be right is here alternative method. Taken first, that is 7 by 20 plus 13 by 35. Here is different of denominator of both the fraction. So now taken LCM of denominator, LCM least common multiple, LCM of denominator denominator 20 and 35 is 140. So we will find that LCM of the method in previous classes, like here what about 20 comma 35, should we find the LCM of this one, the 2 10s are 20, and write the 35 is not cutted by 2, then they again 2 5s are 10, then we will write 35, then 5 1s are 5 7s are 35, then 5 1s are 7 1s are 7. Now 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 is equal to 140. That is the LCM of the number, means 2 2s are 4, 5s are 27 ja 140. So here we will write is 7 by 20 plus 13 by 35. So now is equal to, there the common LCM is 140 of both the fractions, then 27 ja. So we'll write is 7 into 7, because of 27 ja 140, then 7 7 ja plus 13. 35 4 ja 140, then 35 into 4. 35 into 4. So now 7 7 ja 49 plus 52. 35 in 13 into 4. So it is 13 4 ja 52 by 140. There the sum of numerator is 101 by 140. That is the alternative method. Now take in one else subtraction of these things. So here one more things we have to go. 8 minus 9 minus 7 by 12. Here also take the LCM of denominator 9 and 12 is 36. So now 8 minus 9 minus 8 by 9 minus 7 by 12. So we will write in their LCM is 36, then 9 4 ja 36, then 8 4 ja minus 12 3 ja 30, then 7 3 ja. So now go 8 4 ja 32 minus 7 3 ja 21 by 36 is equal to 11 by 36. That is the answer of these subtraction. Thank you, class.